going to the Ban Al Cafe. Oh, anyway, there is a Santosa. Well, this is one of the nice cafes here. Santosa. Oh, I'm thinking of going inside. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Let me go inside here instead. It's nice, but no, I need to plan out because that's what I planned for. I think going out of my plans is making me have anxiety.
Listen up, people! I have anxiety!
About me, I don't like plans that have been changed all of a sudden because now, why did I have anxiety? Now, this is my outfit actually. I think I should go this side. Should I? Let me go this side. So many people. Chill Park and Sawan. Ipan out Savula. We are here at the Ban Al. I am so excited. I think now I'm feeling my anxiety going down because this is what I planned for. So this is the Ban Al here. Yeah, so I'm feeling very excited. I think I want to take a picture here. I want to take a picture here. I don't know how I'm gonna take my tripod out. Okay, let me go inside first. Yeah, what's up? What's in money bag? I think this will do. Just to celebrate my birthday. This water. So yeah, here it is. The tennis court here. I think I'll just come here with my friends next time. So this is my cute coffee. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my wrap. My chicken wrap. That's my wrap. I go. You guys, birthday cake. I already started wanting to eat it. Birthday cake. I am destroying my birthday cake. So if you're celebrating your birthday, come here, come to the Ban Al. They are playing Lana Del Rey. They're playing Lana Del Rey video games. I love this cafe, guys. I love this cafe. It's definitely a place you can go to and chill. Everything I do, tell you all the time. The sun is down. Bad girls. Oh, thank you. A card, please. Yeah, thank you. So we are out. We are out. I am going home right now. It's a wrap for today. My birthday. Yay! Hope's shut out. Prosperity, everything. So I'm tired of sitting for it. I'm just walking out because I ate too much. This man is looking at me. I am vlogging and he does not understand. Yeah. Is that a ponytail? Alright, Coco. Yebo ngizokwenza. Ithom. Ngizokuzenzela.